Hi, this is Stuart Talley. I'm the partner here responsible for the defective hip litigation. And the reason we're doing this video today is to provide information to people about liens. Many of our hip cases have recently settled, and our clients often have questions about something called liens. And you'll hear a lot about liens if you have a hip case that settles. A lien is basically the right of your insurance company, your health insurance company, or Medicare, or any state agency that paid for medical treatment, to receive reimbursement from your settlement for the medical expenses that they incurred because of your injuries. So a typical example is somebody has private health insurance. They get the defective hip put in their body. 2 years later it has to come out. When that hip comes out, okay, your insurance company will pay for the revision surgery. They'll pay for your treatment after the revision surgery. Okay, now all of the expenses that the insurance company or Medicare paid for your revision surgery, the insurance company has a right to be reimbursed for those expenses from your settlement. Okay, most of the time, almost all fee agreements that I've seen between plaintiffs' lawyers and their clients provide that those liens actually come out of the client's share of the recovery. So let me give you an example. If you had a $300,000 settlement and your insurance company paid $50,000 for your revision surgery, they would have a $50,000 lien on your settlement, and that $50,000 will come out of your share of the settlement after your attorneys are paid. Now, important thing to know about liens is that liens are often negotiable. All right. So typically what will happen is if I call an insurance company and say my client has a settlement in the case and that you paid $50,000, the insurance company will agree to reduce that lien. And typically the amount of the reduction is equal to the attorney's fees that would be owed on that amount. So if my fee agreement is a 40% fee agreement, I would call the insurance company and say, okay, there's a $50,000 lien, but you should reduce it by 40% because it's not fair that my client pay that 40% and that you don't have to. And almost always insurance companies will agree to reduce the liens by the amount of the attorney's fees. So that's how liens work. They're really sort of unavoidable. You can't ignore them. The insurance companies will come after you down the road if they find out that you settled your case and you didn't take care of their lien. With respect to Medicare, there's a federal law that requires plaintiffs' lawyers and defendants to tell Medicare about a settlement. And so it's something that just has to be dealt with in every case. One of the things that can often cause lots of problems is that those liens can take a long time to resolve. Many times the insurance companies are very slow to get us the lien information, and then they're even slower negotiating them. Medicare is notorious for being very slow on this, and it can often take months to get a lien resolved. But that's how it works. So if you have a defective hip, you have a litigation pending, or even if you don't, and you have any questions about liens, how they work, what's recoverable and what's not, feel free to give us a call. We have a lot of experience dealing with liens, negotiating with the insurance companies to get them reduced, and we'd be happy to help you out. You can reach us at the phone number on the screen, or you can visit our website and fill out one of our online forms.